Okay, so welcome to reading class for Thursday, April 2nd. So here we go. First off, the attendance question. Please make sure you're always answering this first. In reading class, not only does this let me know that you're participating and checking in with us, but it also helps me to monitor your comprehension of the novel. This is kind of a quick little check-in for me along with all the other activities, but please continue to answer this first. Next, I have given you a link to a Flipgrid assignment. So I posted this in the classroom under the April 2nd tab where you should be right now. And the link should take you directly to the assignment. So what you're going to do is use the AR book that you're currently reading, and you're going to complete the assignment and create a video. Now, I know some of you have finished a book since I last saw you and are maybe starting on another book. I don't care which of the two books you choose, but it does ask you to tell what page you were on while you're reading the book and then to give a quick summary of the novel. So you decide what's best for you. Probably better to go with one that you've just started reading, even if you're only near the beginning stages of it. I'm going to be giving you questions, and to receive credit for the questions, just completely answer these prompts as you're recording yourself in the video. If there are any technical issues or suggestions, please do let me know. You are my first class using Flipgrid, so you are the experimental group. And I know that you've all used this before, so please let me know if there's something that I need to do differently. Okay, Wednesday Words, September-October quiz. Not all of you, most of you have finished that. I will post the answers to the short answer questions once everyone has completed them. I was hoping to do it today, so if you do see it today, that means I did get my last one turned in. If not, you'll see it next week. And the 20 multiple choice quiz questions. Question number 9 for September had listed choose one book, and the correct answer actually had 2 books. So as a result of this, if you missed number 9, I gave you the point back. So I'm trying to be fair with all of you, and I appreciate the student that pointed that out to me. So yes, that was one adjustment I made for you. There were a couple of you got number 9 correct, but the wording of the question did say to ask for 2 books, so I'm going to be fair with that. And all grades for these quizzes will be posted as I receive them. 2 of these 3 assessments were through Google Forms. And moving on to further into Wednesday Words. Please complete the study guide that you see attached in here for November. It is worth 10 points. There were 9 questions, and the last question had 2 parts. So that's where your 10 points are coming from. And when you answer these study guides, please always answer in complete sentences using blue font, unless I tell you to do otherwise. This makes it so much easier for me to find your answers and read them quickly. And, again, answering in complete sentences is a skill you're going to need for life, so it doesn't hurt to practice your writing skills. Then you're going to look over the background information for December. I gave you a couple short little YouTube videos. None of them are too long. They're just, again, something that will help you understand better. None of you were alive in 1967, so this information will help you understand the events of the chapter better. And then your assignment is to read December for our next class on April 7th. And I've also attached the vocabulary that goes with November and December, so please define the vocab listed and type it into the Google Doc and submit it to the classroom today by midnight. And this vocabulary will be on your next vocab quiz. So speaking of which, looking ahead, we will complete activities for December on April 7th, which is our next class together. And then our next quiz will be on April 9th over November and December. Very similar format to what we did this week for September and October. Spring break actually starts on April 10th. And yay for that, we still have a break. And your next class after spring break with me will be Tuesday, April 21st. So moving forward, you will see me for English and reading on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But you do officially return from spring break on April 20th. So take care. Hopefully you're all doing well. And if you have any questions, send me an email.